beautiful souls, I am Mommy on a Journey and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time coming across my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you're interested in personal development, healthy plant-based eating or just anything in between, stick around and subscribe because that's what my channel is all about. So today the mother is making a pasta bake. So as you know, or if you don't know, now you know, I am still transitioning from being full-on meat eating, dairy eating and all of that, trying to move to vegan. Obviously it's not gonna happen overnight, so I've been trying to remove stuff bit by bit, remove meats on certain days. Some days, you know, it's been a bit of a it's been so far I've realized that I can remove a lot of things and I'm okay with it. The most difficult thing for me to remove is milk and cheese and just basically dairy products. It's quite difficult for me because I enjoy them so much and I include them in a lot more things than I actually thought. So I've decided to now try recipes that I really enjoy with a lot of cheese and a lot of milk, and then try to see if I like the vegan alternative, so that when I actually go far that side and I'm not coming back, I'll actually enjoy what I'm eating and I won't just relapse back as I have done previously before. So that's the plan. So today it's that pasta bake. So yeah, I'm going to be writing on the screen. I won't have a voiceover this time. So yeah, if there's anything that you want to ask about, just please comment in the comment section and then let me know if there's any questions, but I will try and put everything on the screen as the recipe goes. So stick around for that. So that's my bake. So the first time I tried it without the milk and the cheese and all of that, as you could see, and I actually almost didn't taste that there's no dairy products. And I think the nutritional yeast really does add that cheesy type of flavor, and yeah, that worked out for me very beautifully. And then the next day, because I still had a lot left over, I made it again, but this time I sprinkled some cheese over. I know there's vegan cheese and all of that, but I didn't enjoy the vegan cheese that I had, so I don't know, until I find the perfect brand, it's gonna be difficult, guys. So I put a little bit of cheddar on top, but that was just on top. That was the second part. So yeah, but I really enjoyed this without the cheese, and with the cheese of just being extra. I like being extra when it comes to food, so yeah, that was it. But yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys.